Hey, good afternoon, guys. It is Friday, August 2nd, 2019. It's a pretty nice afternoon here in Vermont. We're in Williston, Vermont at the rest area. We got to head over to Waterbury and make a drop and hook. Thanks for joining me. Alright, well, we just finished up our 10-hour break, getting ready to head over to make our drop and hook in Waterbury, and then we're going to head down to Fulton, pick up our load for Sunday, and go on home. Be home late tonight and be home most of the day Saturday. We'll take off Saturday night. An easy one today. We're going to drop our trailer right here in this box, this spot, and we're going to get our empties sitting right over there. The one that's in the door is still loaded, so we got an easy one today. No double drop. Excellent. Got a couple pieces of wood over here. Put underneath the landing gear because it's kind of tilted right here. That way the landing gear comes down on the wood. It's like on an angle. The trailer ain't leaning way over. That's good, good spot. All right. We'll get her unhooked and do our swap. Alright guys, let's get going. Alright guys, we are all done here with our delivery. Let's get our seatbelt on. Safety first. And it's the law, buckle up. So we're gonna head for the ferry and take a nice ride across Lake Champlain this afternoon. And so far everything's hunky-dory today. Well, rolling again off the ferry. I'm on Military Turnpike, Route 190 here in New York. Takes you from the Plattsburgh area up towards Route 11. Kind of angles you out to the west a little bit. Looking like we're going to be back in Fulton somewhere around 9:30 tonight. Yeah, we might make it home by 1. We'll see. If the load's ready. If the load's not ready, I guess we're not making it home till tomorrow sometime, just to stop in. Alright, well, we are back in Fulton. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully our load is ready. Okay, alright guys. So we got to put our trailer in door 11. Our load is ready. It is ready, and I see the trailer right over there. Good deal. Yeah, looking like we ain't gonna be home till around pretty close to 2 now. So I've been taking my time too much. Let's see, door 11. Door 11, that's door 11. Okay. All right. Yeah, we got to get out and open the doors so we can get backed in here. And then gonna have to go inside and sweep this trailer out. You got to ease it into this dock because it's downhill off the dock, and if you bump the dock and let up on the clutch, you go flying back out of the door again. Plus there's a little ridge right before you get in there you got to go over, and the dock plate, the dock lock also. There we go. All right, we're up against the dock tight. All right, guys, we just came out from sweeping out that trailer. Pull over and get hooked up to our new one. One of them trailers that has the turn signals up top. Can you see that flashing up there? All right. Haven't run across this in a while. Some nudnig left that handle in the holder, so now it's stuck underneath the frame. It's hard to get good help, guys. Yeah, let's see if we can free this thing. You got much room to work with tonight. Let's see. That'll bend that. Here we go. We're in business. All right, we're in business, guys. I was able to use my crowbar to free up that handle. All right. I smell another battery going bad, I think. It's a good thing we're going to the shop Monday. Yeah, so the truck holds 4 batteries. We already got 1 disconnected. We're down to 3. That's fine this time of year when it's warm out. I don't know about running on 2. I have a pretty good suspicion it's the number 1 battery, which I could easily take out of the circuit without having to do much but take off the ground jumper. But maybe I'll check it. I'll check it when I get home, see if it's hot. Have to wait and see what happens. Anyway, we have to do a 30-minute break now before we can head out. So we're starting that now, and then we'll be on the way home. Looking about, like I said, about 2 o'clock arrival now. One thing about trucking, it seems like it always ends up being later than you say, than what you shoot for. There's always something that comes up, something that takes you a little bit longer, or you stop for a break a little bit longer, or whatever. Well, anyway, we'll be on our way home shortly. All right, final leg of the trip, guys. We are headed to the house. Yippee! We won't even be home 24 hours though. We got just enough time on our 70 hours for the week that we can take this load, deliver it late tomorrow night, and make it over to Ohio. And we'll be in the shop for at least 34 hours, so we'll get our 34 hours restart in.
500 feet, turn right.
Well, I just ate a piece of cheese. About all I got left in here. Got a little bit of cheese. I got some eggs, some sausage. So I'm hungry. I might have to cook breakfast when I get home. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I appreciate you coming along for the ride. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. Okay, take care now. We'll see you again.